Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and I'm going to be taking you through today's workout. Today we're working on the core. We have 6 different exercises. The first 3 exercises we're going to overload by adding weight to them. The second set of exercises, 3 exercises, we're going to overload it by making them mechanically more difficult. So I just want to show you that you can do this in both ways. Core, just like any other muscle, in order for it to grow and become stronger, you have to overload it, not just do thousands and thousands of repetitions. So, having said that, give me 5 seconds to set up and we'll get started. All right, welcome back. We'll get started with body weight sit-ups. Nice and easy. Let's get down on the ground. I'll be quiet. Cue the music, and we'll do as many sit-ups as we can within reason. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Well, that was set number 1. Now, like I said, we're gonna overload these by adding weights. So I'm gonna use my powerblock dumbbells. One of them set up to be 10 pounds. And guess what? One of them set up to be 20 pounds for the 3rd set. Right now, we'll move on to the 10-pound one. So I'm using power blocks. There's no actual weights on the sides. We just have the 2 5-pound weights on the inside and the frame that holds the whole thing together. So I did 25 repetitions on the first one, and I felt like it was getting close to give me like maybe about 5 repetitions left. So on the second set, we're gonna overload them. It's gonna be more weight. We'll try for 25 again, but I'm gonna go probably within 3 or 4 repetitions of failure. Once again, I'll be quiet. Let's get down on the ground. Grab your resistance, whatever you're using, any kind of dumbbell, anything you might be using, and we're gonna go for the sit-ups. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. All right, and we are back. I think there was about 20 repetitions. That extra 10 pounds sure makes a big difference. So put that one away. On the next set of exercises, same exercise, but we're gonna do it with 20 pounds of resistance. So I assume my repetitions will go down. Like I said, leave a few in the tank. You don't have to go all out. You get about 95% of the 95% of the benefit by stopping 3, 4, maybe even 5 repetitions before you max out. And it also prevents you from getting hurt then because you're not maxing everything out all the time. One more set left for sit-ups. I'm gonna grab the 20-pound weight. So twice the resistance I had before. Let's get down on the ground and let's see how many we can squeeze out. We're back. That was it for that one. Honestly, I lost count, but I know what I had left in the tank and it wasn't too much and decided it was a good time to stop. All right. So the weights are away. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. Weights are away. Now we work upper core. Now we're gonna use the lower abdominal area. So we're gonna start off with 3 different exercises. Once again, similar exercise, but we're gonna overload it without using any weights this time. Same thing, first exercise is gonna be the easiest one, and then we're gonna make it a little more difficult with each subsequent one. So let's get down on the ground and start off with some scissor kicks, individual legs. So one leg is up, all the other leg is down. So you guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, well, that was it for the first set. Just a reminder, when you do those, squeeze that lower back into the ground as much as you can. You don't want to be arching it. You want to activate everything by squeezing the lower back into the ground. You should not be able to fit your hands underneath your lower back. So that was the first exercise, the easiest version for lower core. Now we're gonna do something very similar. We're gonna lay back down on the ground and we're doing a double leg lift. So both legs are going up at once and both legs are coming down. At any point, neither one of them is touching the ground, all right? So we wanna slap our feet on the ground. You wanna stop, slowly come to the stop. A quarter of an inch above that ground, doesn't make a difference how far it is, as long as it's not touching. And besides that, let's get going. Set number 2. And we're going for leg raises to about 45 degrees. You guys are ready to go. Support the lower back. 3, 2, 1, legs out, let's go. right, that was set number 2. One more set left, and we're gonna make it a little more difficult, obviously. That's what we're doing. We're slowly overloading those muscles. Once again, double leg, but this way on the way up, I want those hips to come up off the ground just a little bit. A little bit is good enough. They don't have to go all the way straight up. Just a little hip raise, hip thrust on the way towards the ceiling. Same thing, we're gonna do as many repetitions as we can within reason, leaving 3 or 4 in the bank or until our form starts going to crap. Last set, guys, and this will cover the entire core, at least the front of it, because the core kind of expands all the way in the back. But this will cover the entire front. So this time the preview should be up about what we're doing, and we're going support our lower backs once again, and we're gonna go out and then up. As many reps as we can within 3 or 4 failure. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, set up, and let's go. Well, that was it, guys. Thank you for joining me today for this progressive overload workout for the core. Remember, these muscles work just like any other muscles. You have to work them hard and you have to overload it in order for them to grow and get stronger. This is Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.